Hey guys, it's Brooke with WTI. If you are pregnant or know someone who is, you need to get these pants. These are the most comfy maternity pants that I have ever had. These are the leggings from Happy.angel, and the material is so soft. I love wearing these. I basically live in these pants every single day. I am so glad it came in a 2-pack because there is always one in the laundry. It's also super awesome that they have pockets, because who doesn't love pockets? The material of these is so buttery soft. I love that there's not a tight band around the top, because as your belly's growing, it's super uncomfortable. So I love that they are just super stretchy and soft, and they go up very high on my belly so you can't see them through the shirts that I wear. These are also super great to sleep in because you can't even barely feel that they're there. If you or someone you know is in need of some maternity pants, I highly recommend these ones. They are so comfortable, you will not regret it, and that's my point of view.